It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 115. We have function that log 4x plus 1 times 3 to the 4x plus 1. So log function times exponential function. So basically we have to apply the product rule, right? And if we look at this exponential function, this is function with base 3, not e, right? So let's say we have exponential function y is equal to base 3 to the x. Remember, the derivative of this is equal to 3 to the x times the derivative of this, which is equal to 1, right? And we have to multiply net log of this base 3, right? If this base is other than e, we always have to multiply net log of this base. Okay, so let's find the derivative of this function. So y prime is equal to, here we have to apply the product rule. So derivative of log 1 over 4x plus 1 times the derivative of this, chain rule, right? 4. And leave the second function alone, 3 to the 4x plus 1. Plus, then leave the function, first the function, that's log 4x plus 1 times, and write the derivative of second function, derivative of this, right? So that's going to be net log 3 times 3 to the 4x plus 1 times derivative of this, 4, right? If it's exponential, we have to rewrite all of this expression times the derivative of this, 4x plus 1, derivative of exponent, 4, and multiply. If this is not e, then we have to multiply net log 3. Does that make sense? So if we simplify this, that's going to be just equal to 4x plus 1, 4 times 3 to the 4x plus 1, plus, this is going to be just a 4 net log 3 times 3 to the 4x plus 1 times net log 4x plus 1, right?